What is going on, guys? And today's we're going to be working on the Acura Integra. Yeah, I could use a cleaning too. But we're going to put some coilovers on the front. So let's get her on jack stands. There we go, got her on jack stands. Let's get those wheels off. Okay, and now you should have 3 10s and 1 12 you gotta take off. Get these out of the way. And maybe a 12 too. This one is. Two 12s and 2 10s. Okay, now we're gonna have a 17 for the fork. We also have to get this 14 for the pinch on that fork. So I think we'll start with that F17. So you're gonna need a 17 mil wrench and a 17 mil socket for the fork. Okay, we got that slightly out. On the back side of this fork, here's a pinch bolt 14 that holds it onto the strut itself. Gotta get to that next. Alright, let's try to get that 14. Can you believe that? It actually is free. How about that? Try and get that bolt out all the way. I believe there's a little slot inside this strut that this bolt slides into, so it won't pop out. Let's get that out of there. There it is. Okay, I gotta get the 2 top bolts. Okay, so now I need to get these 2 14mm nuts. Alrighty. She's gonna fall out. There's one. Junky old skunk. leaking. Yeah. Out with the old and in with the new. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but I just do everything now in reverse. Get this fork back on. I get those 2 bolts back on, these 2 bolts back on, the 17 at the bottom, and then we're all ready to go for this side. Kind of forgot to record this, but I like this. Take a jack and jack it up so you can get the fucking bolt to line up. I'm gonna get that bolt in now. Through. Get the nut on there. So we got that tight. Just gotta get these 3 more bolts in. Got that one on, but then I need to tighten up this bracket, which I figure out where I want it. Seems pretty good right there. And the last step. Alright. See how fucking low she is. That's gonna be way too low. So I drove on them. They're actually pretty smooth. They're a little stiff, but I like it. They're not for like slamming a car, no. It won't slam your car. They'll go pretty low, but no slamming. They ride pretty smooth for eBay coilovers. I like it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.